Okay, we're at a hotel called Holiday Inn Express, which is a little bit different than Holiday Inn. That looks like some of the views, and I guess these views would face this Catholic school over there and the Royal Supermarket over there. I don't know how they'd get across very easily. They'd have to go all the way down and cross over that way and then go down like that. But anyways, that's beside the point, because we're going to be doing the Holiday Inn Express, and we're going to show you what's behind it, because there's more over on that side as well. All right, stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Holiday Inn Express. So basically it's on this, it's off of this kind of main street right here. So you can see this kind of rusty looking statue. I don't know what that's all about. I wish I'd paint that, do something cool with it. But you do have these beautiful banyan trees that go all the way through. You have to go over this one to cross that particular street. And we're going to be walking around Holiday Inn Express. So I'm going to go in a circle around it so you can kind of get a context for it. There's some people going in right now. So, okay. Kind of tempted to go around. Let me see. Let's just kind of go this way. So we're gonna go down Huade, Shanghai, and then it looks like this whole area is called Zape. So you got about 2 blocks of mostly hotels and casinos, some saunas, things like that. And then this is behind Holiday Inn. Okay, got some food like that. So this is kind of behind it right here, and we're on Huade, Shanghai. So it looks like if you stayed here, you might have either the view that overlooks that side, which is that church, or you might have it that overlooks into this apartment building. So it looks like you look at these apartments here. Kind of cool looking, those circular things. Okay. So anyways, that's immediately behind it. There's other stuff around it as well, of course. And I think this Holiday Inn might be kind of small. Actually, this street right here, there's not a whole lot to it. Salon. Let's just kind of show you what this is exactly. Let's just walk down so you can kind of get an idea of what else is around here. But you're kind of on these 2 cross streets. Huade, Beijing, Alameda, Dr. Carlos Assumption. And that's the Holiday Inn right there, Holiday Inn Express. It's different than a Holiday Inn. So there's 2 hotels, Holiday Inn Express and Holiday Inn. This one looks quite new and kind of small and tall. I think what we're gonna have to do is I want to show you what's behind us as well, but I think the best way is to go this way and kind of get back to that main. I want to go around it first, and I'll show you what else is around here. So there's a Santa Rosa de something, can't see the full name. And here's a Holiday Inn Express. So they got a parking garage. So yeah, kind of small. Okay, let's just kind of show you. That's Grand Lisboa Casino, for reference. It's a College of Santa Rosa de Lima. And there's the Bank of China right here. So let's just kind of show you the neighborhood a little bit. Some people just show the rooms, right? But I also want to give you a little context of what's around a hotel if you were to stay there. This is through traffic. That one that goes underground is kind of through traffic, and then this one at the top is for people who want to take turns left and right. Well, another one of these streets. I guess this roundabout, there's no way to turn that way. There's the hospital up there, Centro Hospital de São Januário. And that's kind of like a giant, I think the ocean used to go up to there, and then this was all reclaimed land, so it's all flat and reclaimed. And let's see, we're gonna just kind of walk down a little bit further. There's Rio Casino straight over that way, and then there's a park that's right in the middle. This is like a park of the ethnic minorities, so there's a bunch of statues in there. straight ahead, that road right there goes from Zape into Nape. So you take it there, and those are all office buildings. Those are office buildings that way. These are residential. That's a Rio Casino. I think that's also residential, maybe corporate. Okay, so that black building right there, that one is our hotel, Hotel Express. And we're just gonna walk a little bit further so you can see the next street over. There's Rio Casino again. Yeah, so this would probably be your main street right here for if you were to stay at Holiday Inn Express. It'd be off that other one, which is not always the best one, but this one might have a little bit more amenities in here, called Rua de Beijing. Everything's written in Chinese, and then this is Portuguese. It's written in Portuguese, so it says Street of Beijing, Beijing, China. So you spell it differently in Portuguese. Spell it more like the old way of spelling Peking, Beijing. Okay, we're gonna go a little bit further. There's a Dice over there, McDonald's here, and a Metro Park Hotel. And then I guess what we'll do is we should do a separate video of this one, but we'll just walk by this one, and we're gonna go show you Holiday Express again, and then we'll end it. So at least you kind of have a little bit of context of what this looks like. So yeah, this is a Metro Park Hotel. Let's just see. Then Landmark Casino, McDonald's is right there. There's some other casinos in here too. There's Emperor Casino, Holiday Inn. So this is our Holiday Inn Express right here. That building, that darkest one right there. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna also show you Holiday Inn, and then you can see that there's two different ones, Holiday Inn and Holiday Inn Express. And Holiday Inn is quite close. It's at one of the orange lettering up there. So we're gonna go up to that, and I'll show you Holiday Inn Express as well. And I was told that they're different ownership, they're not the same company. So before let's cross over. Okay, so that's Holiday Inn Express right there. So it says that sign, it's in green and blue right there, Holiday Inn Express. That's the building up there. These are residential right in front of it. And you also have more office buildings as well. And then we're gonna show you Holiday Inn as well. So Holiday Inn is, there's Holiday Inn station for the buses. And this is also Holiday Inn too. So they have the same green logo, but one's Holiday Inn Express, the other is Holiday Inn. So that was kind of a little context. And for something else that's kind of interesting too, this is La Casa del Habana. So it's a Cuban liquor and cigars. Okay. City University of Macau is right in here too. There's a branch in here. So we'll just kind of come up and then we'll show you. So there's Casa de Habana, Holiday Inn. Let's just go a little bit further. There's the City University. Maybe it's interesting for people anyways. And we'll just go all the way to the main road here. There's also the Macau Art Garden, which is straight ahead. That's that little blue and white building. 24-hour supermarket. So yeah, you're getting kind of a good view of Holiday Inn Express and what's around here. It's actually easier there's more amenities outside your hotel in this area when you're at the Cotai Strip. But inside the Cotai Strip, they also have some convenience store stuff too, so it's not totally bad at all. And we're gonna come back up to Holiday Inn Express in a minute. There it is. Holiday Inn Express. So you got a little idea of the neighborhood and what's around here a little bit as well. That's on Hua to Shanghai.